Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. So we have a cardstock, a pattern paper, and an embellishment add-on. You can add 1, 2, or all 3 of them. You can also pick up the Shots of Life because it coordinates as well and it can give you more pattern paper and embellishments. So I'll have a link to that revealed video at the end, so be sure to check it out. Let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of these add-ons. The first add-on we're going to look at is the cardstock add-on, and I'm going to leave the pattern paper here so that you can see the collections that it goes with. It also gives you a good idea of all of the collections together, and I kind of get ideas of how some of them could combine after you do your layouts and you have some leftovers, how you can actually maximize your kit to its full potential. So for your cardstock add-on, you're going to get 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the collections. So you're going to get 2 sheets of one color and 1 sheet of another. So this is great if you want to do double page layouts and you use cardstock for your backgrounds. So it gives you lots of options. So for Firefly Echo Park, you're going to get 2 sheets of mustard and 1 sheet of peach. For the Simple Stories Happy Travels, you're going to get 2 sheets of Lagoon and 1 sheet of sweet potato. Are you getting hungry yet? So for Paige Evans, Happy Haven, you're going to get 2 sheets of Lagoon and 1 sheet of Fussy. So that's these 2. For Vicky Booten's Cut and Paste, you're going to get 2 sheets of Fruit Punch and 1 sheet of Boysenberry. The next thing we're going to look at is the pattern paper add-on. So for the pattern paper add-on, you get 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. So this is a great way to create even more layouts. So first up, we're going to look at Echo Park Firefly. You have this gorgeous floral, again with the little fireflies in there. The back is an aqua print with arrows. This paper is called Bright Floral. We have a cute daisy on the blue, yellow and white striped on the back. This paper is called Shining Daisies. For Simple Stories Happy Travels, we have this gorgeous floral. Again, you see all of those colors for this collection. You can also see here, see those 2 papers could go with that. So when you're using up your scraps. This paper is called Relax and Enjoy. We have the globe in orange on the back. This paper is called Here and Now, which is a cut apart sheet with different types of tickets that kind of pertain to travel. Super cute. Be great to fussy cut up for more embellishments. The back is another globe print, this time in kind of a cream and gray. For Paige Evans, Happy Haven, we have very typical Paige florals in all of the rainbow of colors. This paper is number 364. And then we have a purple ticking striped print, full branding strip of the other side there. Paper 875 are all of these buttons. And the back is decorative stitches in all of the different colors. Vicky Booten's Cut and Paste. So we have paper 980, beautiful florals. Again, something she's very known for is to do a paper like this so that you could fussy cut them all out for embellishments if you'd like, or even just part of them. The back is this blue check print, a full branding strip of butterflies. This paper, 983, we have all of the different tags, and then we have these rulers here, little labels, paint samples, I love these, and borders on each side. And the back is a green and turquoise leaf print. So one more look at all of your patterned papers. One of my favorites. Next add-on is the embellishment add-on. So this is always a lot of fun too. So for Echo Park Firefly, you're going to get half a pack of the enamel dots. For Simple Stories Happy Travels, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. We have a scalloped border of the stripes, word labels, tabs. I love the paper clips in this collection and the little bulldog clips. I think those are super cute. And the keychain road trip. For Paige Evans Happy Haven, you're going to get a 6 by 12 sticker sheet. So these will vary on these 2. You'll get one side or the other. So this is the one I got with some borders and lots of super cute icons and some larger words I could use for titles. For Vicky Booten's cut and paste, again, you're going to get the 6x12 sticker sheet, either this half or the other half. Again, words that you could use for titles and subtitles. Love that little deer. And then lots of little clusters and icons to decorate with. So that is your embellishment add-on. One more look at the 3 add-ons available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. Be sure to check out these other reveal videos here that I have linked to see what else is available from the Scrap Room. We have lots of individual items in the store, some past kits, and some past individual collections from kits. So be sure to check that out. It's a great way to get more sampling of product. Be sure to join us on the Facebook group and the blog for all of the challenges that we have. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.